Guessing it's a little worse today. Severe thunderstorm warning. As soon as I saw wind out the window, I knew I had to start recording. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. It's getting crazy. You freaking see that? That branch just fell. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Son of... Yo. Whoa. Look.
Did you take a picture of it?
I'm taking a video.
Get down here.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
What? Show Landon.
Get down.
He wants to see the storm.
Look. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, get down. Oh, get down in a minute. Get down. No. It's actually worse today. There's another one yesterday. Wasn't this bad. Not nearly this bad. Oh my goodness. Do you hear that? It sounded like the cracking of a tree. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. All right, picking up again. It's starting to pick up again. Oh my goodness. Is that hail?
Yeah.
It's hailing. It's hailing outside. It's hailing outside. You see that coming off the roof? That's hail. Oh my gosh. Look at all the branches in the backyard. Oh, no way. All right. This power is gonna go out any moment. Oh my goodness.
Ethan's videotaping that.
Yeah, I sit outside. Help me up on the front porch to do it.
Ethan,
What?
go to the front porch and do it.
All right.
Ethan.
Yeah. All right. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That water's moving fast. Oh my gosh. Oh no. The road is flooding. It's flooding.
Let's go play out in the rain.
No.
Oh, look how much water.
We're in a retro life.
Look at the water running fast there.
Yeah.
I let them go down so we can put that garbage down. They would have put that garbage down the street.
Yeah.
You said we weren't going to get a bad storm.
Huh?
You said we weren't going to get a bad storm.
Wow. There's too much water. There's too much water in the drain.
It's so flood. Are you going to put that on Facebook?
I'll put that on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Why is he outside? Yeah, there's a little boy over there stepping in the water. This is actually the worst storm I've ever been through. Oh, he's getting a free car. He's getting a free car wash.
Wow.
Oh, wow. That was quite the rumble. Oh my. My power ain't out yet. That's weird. 1%. Hey guys, I gotta get off my here. My phone's at 1%. So thanks for watching and bye.